I need you to stop scrolling for the next few minutes. Not because I have something clever to say, because if you're the kind of trader I think you are, what I'm about to say might be the only thing that actually changes what happens to your account. And maybe more than your account. Somewhere right now, someone is staring at a red number at 2 in the morning, telling themselves it was the market, it was the news, it was bad luck. It wasn't. I've sat across from hundreds of traders. Every single one who blew up their account gave me a strategy excuse. Wrong entry, wrong exit, bad setup. Not one of them told me the truth. They knew exactly what to do and did the opposite because in that moment, emotion was driving, not them. You already know this about yourself. You've watched your own hand double the size after a loss, trying to win it back. You've watched yourself freeze on the one setup you waited all week for. And then you went and searched for a new strategy video. As if the problem was ever the strategy. It wasn't. It never was. I'm not here to sell you a dream. I'm not going to tell you that you'll be a millionaire trader by next year because I'd be lying, and I don't lie to people who trust me. What I will tell you is this. The version of you that keeps losing and the version of you that finally holds a plan under pressure are the same person. The only thing missing is what's happening between your ears when it matters most. So if you're tired of blaming the market, tired of watching your own hand hit the button when you swore you wouldn't, tired of feeling like trading does something to your mind that nothing else in your life does, good. That discomfort is exactly why I built this. Over the next 10 episodes, I'm taking apart everything that's actually costing you money, and none of it is a candle or an indicator. Loss, revenge trading, FOMO, overtrading. The habits that separate someone serious about this from someone who's just emotional about it. No charts, no signals, no secret setup hiding in episode 7. Just the truth about what's really standing between you and consistency. This isn't about views for me. This isn't about selling you a course right now. This is about you not doing this to yourself for one more year. Episode 1 starts right now. And if you want to go further with me directly, the link is in the description.